Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is mind-blowing. It is a very simple DIY that you can find the ingredients at any grocery store or market. Very powerful, especially if you are suffering from hair loss, hair shedding, your edges are gone, or you just want to grow your hair faster. You need to take this recipe very seriously. But before getting into all that, let me give a shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. And I can promise you, you're going to learn a lot from today's video. So as you can see, my first natural ingredient is ginger. Ginger is very common to find, very affordable. You can find this at any grocery store or market. Ginger is very powerful when it comes to preventing hair loss, hair shedding, and also stimulating blood flow to your scalp. This will in return help you grow new healthy hair. Ginger can also act as an anti-inflammatory that can help you treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. If you haven't been adding ginger to your hair care routine, this might be a sign for you to start using ginger now. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is clove. Clove is one of the natural ingredients that I really love when it comes to hair growth. A lot of you have already used clove and can testify to the fact that it can help promote healthy hair growth. It is also going to treat your scalp and improve blood circulation in your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. My next natural ingredient is coffee. Coffee contains caffeine. That is a key ingredient in coffee. This caffeine will help stimulate blood flow to your scalp, which will in return help you grow new healthy hair. So once you have everything like so, you need a carrier oil. Today I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. You just need any of your favorite carrier oil. Put everything in a blender and blend it like no one's business. Once you have it all blended like so, you're going to put it in a saucepan and you're going to cook it on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you are stirring this continuously because you do not want to burn your ingredients. When it comes to the measurements, the trick is I did not use any specific measurement. You just have to make sure the oil covers all the natural ingredients. Add enough carrier oil to cover your natural ingredients, and it all depends on the quantity that you are trying to make. At this point, you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. It is time to strain this oil. You're going to use a cheesecloth, paper towel, anything with tiny holes that can trap all the natural ingredients because you just want the oil. This has been infused with the oil, so just the oil is going to do all the trick for you. And here you are, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. All right, look at how beautiful this oil is looking, and it smells amazing. But there are a few ingredients you can add to this recipe to even make it much more powerful. You don't have to add them if you don't have them. I love castor oil because it's a conditioning oil. When you add castor oil to your DIY recipes, it conditions your hair, prevents it from breakages, and also strengthens your hair strands. You don't need much, just a few drops, maybe a tablespoon will go a long way. After that, you give it a good stir. I also love to add essential oils to my DIY recipes. Essential oils add to the smell of any DIY recipes. Also, it has its own added benefits that can help stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I decided to use peppermint essential oil today because I love the smell. But there are a lot out there. Lavender essential oil, rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, just to mention a few. You don't need much, just a few drops will go a long way. Once you have added your essential oil, which you don't have to add it if you don't have it, you give it a good stir. Now your DIY recipe is all ready. This oil is so powerful, guys. You don't have to rinse it out. Apply this on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. Do this at least 3 times a week. Massage it into your scalp, onto your hair strands. Go in with your hair moisturizer or your leave-in conditioner. You will come back and thank me later. Make sure you are consistent with the use because consistency is key. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.